Have you ever wondered if a major high street bank like Lloyds operates purely in the digital realm? With the rise of fintech and the increasing prevalence of online transactions, it's a fair question to ask whether traditional banks are shedding their physical presence entirely in favor of a purely internet-based model. Today, we're diving deep into exactly that. Is Lloyds an internet bank? To answer this, we first need to understand what internet banking truly means. In its purest form, an internet bank, or neobank, operates exclusively online, with no physical branches. Think of those sleek, app-only banks that have emerged in recent years, offering seamless digital experiences and often lower overheads. They leverage technology to provide all their services, from opening an account to transferring funds and paying bills, directly through their website or mobile app. The appeal is clear: convenience, 24/7 access, and often more competitive rates due to reduced operational costs. Now, let's turn our attention to Lloyds Bank. Lloyds has a long and storied history, synonymous with the British High Street, with its distinctive black horse logo gracing countless towns and cities. For generations, banking with Lloyds meant walking into a branch, speaking to a teller, and conducting your financial affairs face-to-face. This traditional model, based on a widespread physical branch network, has been a cornerstone of their service. However, the world has changed dramatically, and Lloyds Bank has evolved with it. In response to shifting customer preferences and technological advancements, Lloyds has heavily invested in its digital capabilities. They offer robust internet banking services, allowing customers to do almost everything online that they could do in a branch. You can check your balance, view transactions, set up standing orders and direct debits, pay bills, transfer money between accounts, and even apply for loans and credit cards, all from your computer or smartphone, any time of day or night. Their mobile banking app is highly rated and widely used, proving that digital convenience is a key part of their offering. But does this extensive digital presence make Lloyds purely an internet bank? The answer is a resounding no. While Lloyds offers comprehensive internet banking, it very much remains a hybrid model. They still maintain a significant network of physical branches across the UK. These branches serve a crucial purpose for many customers, particularly for those who prefer face-to-face interactions, need assistance with complex transactions, or simply don't have consistent internet access. For instance, depositing large sums of cash, dealing with a bereavement, or discussing complex financial products often still involves a visit to a physical branch. So, Lloyds Bank is not an internet banking in the exclusive sense. Instead, it's a traditional bank that has embraced and excelled in the digital space. They offer the best of both worlds, the convenience and accessibility of internet banking alongside the security and personal touch of a physical branch network. This dual approach allows them to cater to a diverse customer base, from tech-savvy individuals who prefer managing everything online to those who value the human element of banking. In essence, Lloyds has successfully integrated internet banking into its existing framework, making it a modern, adaptable financial institution rather than abandoning its roots entirely. They understand that while digital is king for everyday transactions, the reassurance and support of a physical presence still hold immense value for many. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.